Hey everybody, Chris Petracchi here, and last year was a great year, and I want to say thank you to all my supporters for helping me pass the 2,000 subscriber mark. To give back to everybody, I'm going to be giving away my head drawing cheat sheet. It's a super condensed document that I put together throughout the years of learning from some of the best teachers I know, like Glenn Villepeu, Glenn Orbick, Steve Houston, on how to draw the head and figure. This is definitely going to jumpstart your portraiture and head drawing endeavors, and it's totally free, and I'm excited to get this to you. It's going to be breaking down concepts like how to see and learning how to see, how to use the planes and Riley rhythms, what kind of lighting is the best for portraiture, and what kind of lighting to avoid.
Okay.
The importance of squinting to see value.
Okay.
And a couple of step-by-step tutorials so you can see what I'm talking about.
Okay.
So all you have to do to get the cheat sheet is, number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, comment about an artist who influenced you the most this year, and put that down in the chat for this video. And 3, tell us how you overcame an obstacle in your art last year, and hopefully this is going to help inspire other artists in the community. So what challenge you overcame, how you overcame it, okay? And that's pretty much it. So it's pretty straightforward. To get the document, just go over to my website, chrispetracchi.com/new-products, and you'll find it there as a free download. So you need to do this by January 31st. It'll be up in my shop until then, and after that, I'm going to take it down. So make sure to hurry over there and take advantage of this free resource. Okay, thanks a lot, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.